story is called Princess Peach and Speed the Bear. Our story begins during a cold winter blizzard in North Carolina. A person in a raincoat is walking away from a cabin in the woods, trying to stay warm in the blizzard. Wait, what? Why are they wearing a raincoat in a blizzard? I think we need to get closer. Oh, it's a winter coat! And that's Princess Peach from Super Mario! Oh, turns out that she has a vacation home in the North Carolina woods for when she needs to get away from Mushroom Kingdom. Anyway, she's walking to a grocery store a mile from her cabin to get some groceries for dinner. She is planning on making steak, which is thawing in her refrigerator, and needs some sides for the meal. In the distance, there is a large figure in a red and black coat. It is Speed! Speed is a bear who resides in the woods. Although Speed, the bear, should be hibernating during the winter, he finds it hard to rest while the cabin is being occupied. On this freezing winter day, Speed was hungry and trying to find something to eat, which is a challenge when most other animals are hibernating. Suddenly, he notices Princess Peach on the way to the grocery store and says out loud,
"Ma, that would be a tasty dinner!"
Speed begins to run for Princess Peach. She sees him right away. He is wearing a red and black coat, after all, which makes him easy to spot. And she starts running away from him. A chase ensues. Oops. A chase ensues. When Speed gets close, Princess Peach hides behind a large tree to throw him off. He wanders around to search for her, and she sprints to her cabin. Oh no! She immediately throws the steak in the oven, and as the bear catches up to her and breaks into the cabin, she is ready. She throws the steak into Speed's mouth as a distraction, and he gobbles it right up.
Delicious.
After he is finished devouring the steak, Speed says,
"Thank you very much. I was so hungry."
Princess Peach lovingly takes his paw and says, "Oh, let's be friends. I certainly could use a friend here alone in the woods." After a very scary day, two very unlikely friends live happily ever after.